In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the forecast tool on TradingView step by step. This tool is great for visualizing potential scenarios on your chart, estimating how far and how long a move might take, and communicating your idea clearly. Think of it as a planning aid rather than a prediction engine. It won't tell you what will happen, but it will help you map out what could happen and measure it in a consistent, repeatable way. First, open your chart and head to the left toolbar. Look for the Forecast tool under the Prediction and Measurement tools. This is the section that contains items like long and short position tools, so you're in the right place if you see those. Selecting Forecast prepares your cursor for placing a projection directly on the chart, and you'll notice your pointer changes to indicate the tool is active. Next, click once on the chart to set your starting point. Choose a meaningful location, such as the most recent swing high or low, a breakout candle, or an important support or resistance level. This first click anchors your forecast and tells TradingView where your scenario begins, so accuracy here will make the rest of the visualization more useful. Now, move your mouse to project the future direction. As you move, you'll see the Forecast tool display a shaded area and dynamic readouts that typically include time, bars, and percentage change. This live feedback helps you quickly gauge how aggressive or conservative your scenario is. Use this moment to assess whether the expected move aligns with your strategy, the time frame you're trading, and the overall market context. When you like what you see, click again to place the forecast on the chart. This locks in your initial projection so you can step back and evaluate it. You'll immediately get a clearer picture of the path you're considering, including how long the move might take and what the potential change in price could be. From here, drag the forecast handles to adjust the time range and price projection. The horizontal handle lets you extend or shorten the time horizon, while the vertical handle lets you refine the price target. Make small adjustments until the forecast matches the scenario you want to test. If you're evaluating both bullish and bearish possibilities, you can quickly reposition and resize the same forecast to compare alternative outcomes and see which aligns better with your criteria. That's all there is to it. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.